The Ribhoi People's Council RBPC and the Meghalaya People's Social Organisation MPSO today urged the Chancellor of the University of Science and Technology Meghalaya Ustm on concerns over the employment recruitment practices within the university. The RBPC and MPSO voiced their apprehensions following complaints from numerous youths in Meghalaya over the exclusive advertisement of job vacancies in Assam-based newspapers, despite the university being situated within Meghalaya's jurisdiction. During their visit to the university, leaders of the two organizations urged the Chancellor, M. Hawk, to ensure that future job advertisements are also published in Meghalaya newspapers to provide equal opportunities to local candidates.
Under construction. The court recruitment of the positions of pair of school. The Hakatuka interview, ka walk-in interview ko baki ki court. Kam shumladon kano ka advertisement. Haki print bat ki electronic media naka jala jungi kam tam na po Ribhoi district. The Hakatuka ka interview ka ba ngiyo mangi kalong baki WhatsApp. Ya katuka court kubor ka baki court ya ka interview ka din Assam. Te hadin bangi la pasyang manwat jing tu wat benia nakilat patai kubor jong ka jala. Kam tam na po Ribhoi district. Te ngilap bat ngisyam ba omdan batip omdan babna. Te kajingkali jong kaseng kalong ba lada pikot iki interview. Bat lada kisam lagi jong iki bawat kam. Kim yu ajing tip lani kim long inform. Te kumno ki wan ban apply. Kum ki candidate, ki aspirational candidate. Kumno ki wan ban apply lada ki kim tip. But pada kali yang Chancellor ka basung tunat long kalong ba upudiang ya kita ki idea jongi kan. Habingi ai jemut ya upudiang. But yakinu ki shol ki balong official jong ka USTM da ki local product. Kita ki lai tili ki mat ki ba ni wan ikinu Chancellor mtakasni.